are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Children, all of you open your E.V.S textbooks. Okay, open page number 3 in your E.V.S textbook. Okay, lesson number 9, textbook page number 3. Okay, up till now we have completed the remembering part and the understanding part. Yes or no? So, what did we read in the previous lesson about the uses of water? Yes, we use water for cooking, washing clothes, washing utensils. Yes, there are many uses of water. Yes, and I told you, if water is not there, the plants will become dry and later on they will die. And we want water for bathing. If we will not have any water, we will not have bath and we will become sick due to the germs. Okay, we have finished up till understanding part. And now we are going to do the application part. Okay, see, all of you look into your textbooks. Okay, water is important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. Water is very important. Without water, we cannot survive. Okay, any living beings cannot live without water. Understood, children? So, we should not waste water. Should not. Meaning what? S-H-O-U-L-D-N-O-T. Should not. We should not. Means we should not waste any water. Okay. Simply what is happening in some houses is, if anybody will brush the teeth, just they will be leaving the taps like that. That is wastage of water. Yes. When we are going to home from our schools or anything, then we will simply throw the water, because in school we have used and there is no use of water. We will not drink this. We will drink fresh water. We will throw it. That is bad. You should not throw the water. We can use that water for washing our hands, and we can use that water to pour into the plants and all. Yes, we can pour the water into the plants. Okay. So, with the leftover water in your water bottles, do you throw it away, children? Yes, you should not throw it away. Okay. We should use leftover water. We should use leftover water. Leftover means what? Means morning till evening we will use water, and the remaining water which is left over in the bottle, okay, that water is called as leftover. What is the spelling of the leftover? L-E-F-T, left, water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Okay, so we should use that leftover water in our bottles to wash our hands, or we can water the plants. We can water plants. Understood, children? We all get water from rain. Where from we are getting water? We are getting water from the rain. From rain. Okay? What happens if there is little rain? If there is little rain, what will happen, children? We will not get enough water. Yes? See, there will be less water. There will be less water. When we do not get enough water, enough spelling E-N-O-U-G-H, enough water. Okay. When we do not get enough water for our use, if we do not get enough water, if we don't get enough water for our use, then we have a shortage of water. Then what we will tell? We have a shortage of water. What is the spelling of shortage? S-H-O-R-T-A-G-E. Shortage means less water. Mainly we will have the shortage of water during which season, children? During summer season. Why? We will not have any rains. Yes. If we have many rains, then only we will have sufficient water. If there are less rains, we will have less water and we will be getting shortage of water. Means we will not have enough water for the use. That is what shortage means. We will not have enough water. How much we require, that much water we don't have, we will not have. That is what is called as shortage of water. Okay? Okay. Next. Sometimes due to the absence of rain, absence spelling what? A-B-S-C-E-N-C-E. Absence of rain for a longer time. L-O-N-G-R. Longer time. T-I-M-E. Okay. Sometimes due to the absence of rain. Okay. Sometimes rain will not be there. Yes. Due to the absence of rain for longer time, means for many days, if there is no rain, then a place may become completely dry. If there is no rain for longer time, that place will become dry. Okay? There will be water, there will be no water available. If there are continuously no rains for longer time, the place will become dry and water will not be there. Okay, where there is no rain, there will be no water. Understood? Not available. Water is not available. Available. Spelling what? A-V-A-I-L-A-B-L-E. Available means there will be no water. Okay? This is called as drought. If there is no water, then that place is called as drought. D-R-O-U-G-H-T. Drought. Okay, children? During a drought, the land dries. During the drought, the land will become dry. The land will become dry. And cracks appear. See here, this is drought, where there are no rains and no water. Water is not available here. So, the land has become dry and cracks are being observed. All of you look into the picture there. Okay. This is what is called as drought. Okay. Plants dry up as they do not get water. The plants, because of no water, they become dry. They become dry. Animals die as they get nothing to eat or drink. The animals, if they will not get anything, then they will die. Okay? Animals die as they get nothing to eat or drink. Animals die due to nothing to eat or drink. Amazing fact. If our bodies do not get enough water, okay? If our bodies do not get enough water, enough spelling E-N-O-U-G-H, okay? Enough water means the required amount of water. If our bodies do not get the required amount of water, our memories may be affected. Means we may forget everything. Our thinking power will go less. We cannot think properly. We cannot remember anything. So compulsorily we have to drink water. If we neglect in drinking water, we will forget everything. Our memories will be disappearing. Understood, children? So compulsorily you have to drink water daily. Compulsorily you have to drink 8 glasses of water a day. Understood? Oh. Then we may find it difficult to remember things properly. Understood? We may find it difficult to remember the things. Understood? Higher order thinking skills. All of you see higher order thinking skills. Here, the need for water is not the same for all the living things. All the living things need not take the same amount of water. Okay? Some animals and plants need more water than the others. Some plants and animals need more water than the others. Okay? Some can live with little or no water. Some animals and plants can live with little amount of water. Okay, children? Let us see some examples. Now, let us see some examples here. Okay? There are 4 examples here. See, these are what? Kangaroo rats. Okay? These are the camels. These are the elephants and cactus. These are the cactus plants. Okay? We will be seeing this camel and this cactus in the desert areas. In the desert areas, we will be seeing these plants and camels and all. Understood? These kangaroo rats, they will be staying in the hot places and dry places. Okay. These two animals require less amount of water. Understood? Which animals? Kangaroo rats and camels. Okay. See here. Kangaroo rats do not need to drink water. Kangaroo rats, they need not drink water each and every time. Okay. They live in dry and hot places. Where they will live? They live in the dry and hot places. They save the water that they get from their food. What is their food? Seeds. They will eat seeds and they will be absorbing that water and saving it. Understood? And camels. Camels need less water. Camels need less water than the other animals. Okay? They drink larger amounts of water. Camels drink large amount of water at a time. Okay? Then they can go for a long time without water. Okay? Children, here humps are there or over their bodies. Here humps are there. In this hump, they will store water. Okay? That only they will use. That's why what these camels will do, they will drink lot of water at a time. And they can live for longer time without water. Understood? They will be utilizing this water only, which they have saved in that humps. They will be storing the water in the humps in the form of fat. Understood, children? Next, see there, elephants. Okay? Elephants require a lot of water to drink. Elephants require a lot of water to drink. They also require water to bath and cool their bodies. Elephants are huge animals, big animals. They require much amount of water. They require water to drink as well as for bathing. Yes, and whenever they feel hot, they will immediately pour water on themselves and they will make themselves cool. Understood, children? Okay. Plants like the cactus grow in the dry areas. Okay, I told you these are the cactus plants, means they are thorny, children. They are thorny. Okay, they are in the dry places. Sandy areas, we can see these plants. Desert areas, we will see these plants. Okay, thorny plants. Cactus is a thorny plant. Okay. Plants like the cactus grow in dry areas and need less water to grow than other plants. They need very less amount of water. Okay. They will be growing in dry areas. Understood? Next, have you noticed that small plants dry out quickly? Have you ever noticed in your areas, wherever you move, you will be seeing the plants will get dry. Why they will get dry, children? Because of no water. If we pour water, then only they will be very fresh. If we do not pour water or if we will leave like that, then they will become dry. Understood? That's the reason behind that. Why the plants will become dry quickly. Because of no water. Okay? The need for water depends on the size of the body. Depending on the size of the body, they require water. Okay? And types of activities done. Big animals and trees may need more water. Big animals and trees, they need more water. Okay? We may drink more water after playing outdoors. Yes, children. If we will be not playing games and staying in the houses, then we need not drink much water. Yes? And when we go outside and play, we will become tired and we want to drink more amount of water. Yes or no, children? Yes? Okay. If we sit idle, we may not feel thirsty. Okay. If we will play, then only we will be feeling thirsty and we will require much amount of water. Yes? Okay. The need for water also depends on the climate and season. Children, in winter season or rainy season, we will drink less amount of water. When we see summer season, we will drink much of water. Yes or no? We will drink much amount of water because each and every time we will be getting thirsty. We will be feeling very much thirsty. And so only we will be drinking much amount of water. So what is the point here? During some seasons we require less amount of water, and during some season we will be drinking much amount of water. Okay, did you understand? Oh. For example, plants and animals need more water in the summer than in winter. Okay, in summer we feel thirsty more often. More often we feel thirsty. Understood, children? So we have completed our 9th lesson. Okay. Now all of you underline the spellings. Okay. All of you underline spellings. Here application part. Leftover. L-E-F-T. Left. O-V-E-R. Over. Leftover. Okay. Next one. Shortage. S-H-O-R-T-A-G-E. Okay. Shortage. Enough. E-N-O-U-G-H. Enough. Next one. Drought. D-R-O-U-G-H-T. Okay. Available. A-V-A-I-L-A-B-L-E. Available. Okay. Next. Memories. M-A-M-O-R-I-E-S. Memories. And next. Turn the page. Okay. Here. Large. L-A-R-G-E. Large. And next one. Require. R-E-Q-U-I-R-E. Require. Require. Next. Quickly. Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y. Quickly. Understood, children? All of you now write down all these spellings in your class notebook. Okay, children? Read the spellings, okay? 15th one, up till 14 you have written. Yes, from the 14th onwards, continuation you have to write. Okay, now 15th one, leftover. L-E-F-T, left, O-V-E-R, over. Leftover. Enough, E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. Shortage, S-H-O-R-T-A-G-E, shortage. Absence, A-B-S-C-E-N-C-E, absence. Drought, D-R-O-U-G-S-T, drought. Next, dries, D-R-I-E-S, dries. Next, M-E-M-O-R-I-E-S, memories. Next, A-V-A-I-L-A-B-L-E, available. Next, large, L-A-R-G-E, large. Next, require, R-E-Q-U-I-R-E, require. Next, quickly, Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quick. Today, your homework is you have to read lesson number 9 fully. Okay? Thank you. Have